about the Bitin Brass Band, and of course, what you're here to do tonight in Jamaica.
I wouldn't say I'm the band leader. I'm one of the newest band members. Look at the older people here. They're the band leaders. Every year or every 2 years, we try to take our music abroad. So last year we did St. Martin. Before that was New Orleans. Before that was Cuba. And because our good friend here, Rade, we're going to embarrass her now. Where's Rade? Where's Rade? There she is! The sunshine! So Rade and I had a discussion about 6 months ago. So wouldn't it be great if we played in Jamaica? And now we're here. So first time for me, first time for most of the band, except for...
Yeah, but not playing.
So our first time to play here, so we're delighted to be here. We arrived about 4 hours ago. So literally, so we're straight off the boat. So we look forward to playing tonight. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Awesome. So we won't hold them up much longer. I'm Brie, your hostess with the mostest, but it's all about our Bitin Brass Band from St. Barth's. So they will be entertaining you all night long. So of course, make some noise for them, please.
Hi everybody, thank you to be here. That's a real pleasure. Thank you so much. We're just going to begin with a Creole song, like it means like the Creole, like in French, from Martinique. That is the French West Indies island, southern. So here we go.
Martinique douce, yo belle, yo jolie, yo toute chaude, yo toute caressante. Femme Martinique douce, yo belle, yo jolie, yo toute chaude, toute agaçante. 5 ans de licence, 5 ans de licence. Martinique, c'est plus bel pays. 5 ans de licence.
one. Much better. Nico, do you want to say something? With your beautiful French accents.
Thank you. We are very happy to be with you. It's the first time that we come as far in the Caribbean. We are very glad. And you may notice that with my French accent, we are not completely Caribbean, but we love Caribbean and we play with you and we hope you will enjoy it. And we hope that we'll play some ska, that is the root of your own music, and we try to gather all the different music from all the islands of the Caribbean.
I'm used to say before to sing this song, because we come from Barth where, guys, I confess that most of time male people that have big stuff, like the big stuff, like, no, but I mean, like yacht, like big cars, big everything. So I used to say that when I'm in Barth, like, that's all for this guy that has the biggest stuff in the world, but finally, maybe not as rich, like in sense of proper things. Okay. So you get it? Yes, you know this. Check. Who do you think you are, Mr. Kingston? You're never gonna get my love. Not because you wear all those fancy clothes.
gonna make me cry. Step, oh no, you're never gonna make me Yes, that's right. He has a big step, isn't it? But he has also big hearts. Big step, tell me, who do you think you are? Big step, you're never gonna make me cry. Big step, you're never gonna get my love. Big step, no, you're gonna break my heart. come on now.